Here we have a triangle that is not a right angle triangle. If we explore the number of items or elements in this triangle, we'll see that we have three distances, AB, BC, and AC. These are three distances, and we have also three angles, angle 1, angle 2, and angle 3. So total we have three pieces of information. So let's first of all explore the sine law here. We have AB divided by sine angle 2 is equal to BC divided by sine angle 3 equal to distance AC divided by sine of angle 1. So if let's take a scenario in which we have the distance AB is to be unknown distance to us, and we know the distance BC, and we know the distance AC, and let's say we know the distance, the angle 2 also. So we have three pieces of information. So if we look at the equation here, we have AB to be unknown, and sine 2 will be known to us, BC is known as a distance, and AC is also known to us, and rest of them, sine angle 3 is unknown, and sine 1 is unknown. So if we would like to calculate the value of AB, we have to use either the AB divided by sine 2 is equal to BC divided by sine 3. So if we take this case, unknown, known, known, unknown. So we have, in this case, we have two unknowns. We will not be able to resolve this issue. So let's take the scenario of AB divided by sine 2 is equal to AC divided by sine of 1. And again, let's see where the unknowns are. This is unknown, sine 2 is known to us, AC is known to us, and sine 1 is unknown. So three pieces of information will not be enough to solve the problem of calculating an unknown in this problem, meaning that we need four pieces of information to be able to solve this problem. If we compare this to the right angle triangle, in the case of right angle triangle, we didn't need three pieces of information, was enough for us to calculate the unknown. And let's take this right angle triangle, in which we have, of course this is 90 degrees because it is right angle triangle, and again we can go with this to be A, B, and C. And if we take the scenario of that this is unknown, this is known to us, and let's say the theta is also one angle is known to us. If this is also, say, known to us, we should be fine with three pieces of information, because knowing this angle will always give us the value of this angle, because this is 90 degrees given, because this is being right angle triangle. So the situation for right angle triangle is different than the triangle that is not right angle triangle. So in the case of the sine law, we need four pieces of information to calculate the value of unknown, say, distances. So this is an important fact that we need to take into consideration. So now let's modify this and say we know the value of the angle 2 and the value of angle 1. So if we say we know these two values, in that case, what equation will apply? If we come to, we know sine 2 is valid and sine 1, so this will be the equation that we'll be using. In this case, again, this is unknown, and this is known, and this is known, and this is known. Then we can calculate the value of AB. Now let's clean this up and calculate the value of AB. So we'll have the equation will read again as AB divided by sine angle 2 divided by AC divided by sine angle 1. So again we have, this is unknown, this is known, to AC multiplied by sine angle 2 divided by sine of angle 1. That is the answer because all of these are known values. This is not known.